This is the first video from Unit 7, Lesson 1. We're going to add and subtract polynomials. Okay, so adding polynomials is just like adding like terms. Since there is a plus sign in the middle, all that means is that we're adding, and we can drop the parentheses. So let me take off the parentheses. And now we're just combining like terms. So 4x squared has a like term with 2x squared. So I'm adding those. 4x squared plus 2x squared is 6x squared. 6x has a like term with negative 9x. Again, we're just combining like terms, so I'm doing 6x minus 9x or plus negative 9x. And then my constant, 7 and 1, so plus 7 and 1 is plus 8. And this is done. Okay, same thing with the next one. Drop our parentheses. Since we're adding in between, we'll just drop the parentheses and combine like terms. So 12m squared and 8m squared, that gives me 20m squared. And then 4 plus 5 gives me 9. We're not trying to factor or anything here, just add and subtract. So combining like terms is it. Okay, subtracting polynomials, so same thing as adding. Except I have to remember that I need to distribute this negative, this minus sign. I need to make sure I subtract all of the terms to the right. So I'm going to bring down my 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 3x. I'm bringing that down without the parentheses. And then if I distribute that negative, that gives me minus x cubed plus 8x squared. So if you distribute a negative, that's like negative 1. That's like distributing negative 1 there. And then minus 11. And now it is the same thing as adding, where we just combine like terms. So 2x cubed and negative x cubed. So 2x cubed and negative x cubed is 1x cubed. 5x squared and 8x squared. That would be plus 13x squared. Negative 3x. Oh, then I see that the 11 doesn't have an x. So that negative 3x does not have a like term. So I just bring it down. And then same thing with your negative 11. It just comes down. Okay, so same thing with this example. I have b cubed plus 6b squared minus b. I need to distribute my negative. Negative 9b cubed plus 7b squared minus 3b. And combine like terms. b cubed minus 9b cubed. That's negative 8b cubed. 6b squared plus 7b squared. That would be 13b squared. And negative b minus 3b would be minus 4b. Okay, that is all for this lesson. Just combining like terms. Just don't forget, if you're subtracting, you have to change the signs of every term to the right of that minus sign. You are ready to do Unit 7, Assignment 1.